Hello everyone, this is our application VideoCaster, and this is the application that me and Fidal both together have built for the Frameworks Hackathon hosted by EthGlobal. So, extending the same idea, um, we're likely to introduce some changes that we have made for the past few days, and we have tried to integrate some of the features for the video frames as well as the support to Warpcast. So, starting with the application, we'll be logging into the application. We'll click on login with VideoCaster. I'll be using Privy for the authentication, and right now I'm just trying to log in with my phone. Our account has been verified, and then this is the feed page of the application. This application is very similar to the Warpcast, but the fact that we support video frames is the innovative part of this particular application. We can see all the posts from different users present on the webcast. We are fetching all of this post using the Pinata API, uh, and we have a section called top flow where we are fetching the top accounts. This is being done by the Karma 3 Labs API. Okay, so the first feature I'll be demonstrating is basically the editor. So this is the editor where a person can come to our application and build a video frame. We'll be uploading one video. um, the uploading will take a few minutes, as you can see, and upon deployment we'll be seeing one Livepeer ID getting generated. So we have implemented Livepeer Studio to upload the particular video, and load we'll be able to see the video in this particular frame. Okay, so I'll be showing everything at the end. Let me name my video frame that I'll be liking to see in my frames URL. So let's say I give it example frame Livepeer. I can give it anything I want. So I have given this, and I can choose the number of buttons that my frame can accommodate. By default we have placed one button, which uh, if we post this particular frame on Warpcast, we can view the same video frame on our application. So this view on VideoCaster button is by default present at this moment. So I'll be adding one more button. That'll be a link. We can add post and post direct other features as well. For this demonstration, I'll be showing you the link component. So we can see a link that has come up here. We can choose a thumbnail as well. So we are just proposing an idea that a particular video frame might accommodate a particular thumbnail as well. So we can see this thumbnail that I've uploaded. This is just an example thumbnail for now. We can toggle the video as well as the image with the toggle button over here, and we can publish this frame. So upon clicking the publishing button, we can see the frame for the final time before building it, and we'll be building the frame using this particular build frame option over here. So we can see that the frame has been published. We can click on this copy button, and then we can view this particular frame in this particular viewer that we have built, as well as the VideoCaster frame developer tool as well. So right now I'll be showing you we can add one cast over here. So we can add like example Livepeer frame, and we can put this particular frame URL over here. So what this does at the backend is basically we can extract this particular URL from the text file, and we can show a frame component under the cast, and this particular string will be shown as a text. So there will be a text and there will be a cast underneath the text. So we can press on this cast button. The cast opened in the Warpcast. For this moment we are unable to fetch the cast because it takes some time in the backend in the VideoCaster frame to get deployed. So we'll show the cast in our viewer itself. So the link that I copied previously, I'll just paste it here. If I open it, I can see the particular frame has been deployed, and we can see the frame in our application. The same can be viewed. We have deployed a few casts in the past, and we can show it over here. This is my account basically. I can see my account under my cast, and I can see few of the casts that I previously deployed using the same procedure that I have shown before. So we have this toggle button, so I can show you that this particular video is running over here, and we can see this thumbnail image as well, and we can see this particular button over here. So coming to the viewer that we were discussing previously, we can see this particular frame. We can see the video over here. We can see a particular video view on VideoCaster button, and a custom button that I've created before using our editor. So we can see this particular frame over here in the VideoCaster frame developer tools as well, and we can see how it might look in the VideoCaster in Warpcast. So we can see a VideoCaster button over here, and we have Instagram button. So if we click on the VideoCaster button over here, we can see this particular frame coming in our editor right now. So we can see the same thing over here as well. This is the demonstration of our application. So this is a feed page basically. So if I click on any one of the post, I can click on this particular author over here, and I can see his particular post and frames, and I can interact with any one of them. For instance, I'll show one of the frames that we had deployed, which supports both VideoCaster as well as the Warpcast. This is basically a test polling application that we can see on Warpcast, and basically it wants us to vote for any one of the option over here. So we can click on this particular frame, and then we can click on this particular button over here, and we can see that the frame is working properly as it would work on Warpcast. So yeah, that's our demonstration. Thank you. So this is a feed page basically. So if I click on any one of the post, I can click on this particular author over here, and I can see his particular post and frames, and I can interact with any one of them. For instance, I'll show one of the frames that we had deployed, which supports both VideoCaster as well as the Warpcast. This is basically a test polling application that we can see on Warpcast, and basically it wants us to vote for any one of the option over here. So we can click on this particular frame, and then we can click on this particular button over here, and we can see that the frame is working properly as it would work on Warpcast. So yeah, that's our demonstration. Thank you.